another Epicflows Production.
Going to a ghetto wedding is hilarious as a photographer because you experience a different atmosphere from what you're familiar with. Take this couple that you invited you to this wedding to take a picture, and you encounter their guest.
It's a photographer. Come take a picture of me and my friend.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't take a picture of you this time. I'm employed by this couple to take their picture.
So what? You don't think so we want a picture now?
I understand, sir. But when I'm finished with the couple, I will take your picture.
Yo, me invited at that wedding, you know. I'm want you to take my picture, you know.
When I'm done, sir, I will attend to you.
I know we want the picture now. Tell me baby mother, yeah. I want you to come take a picture.
Sir, I understand that, but I really need to take a picture of this couple and then we will get back to you.
So when you're done with the picture, when we can get the picture?
Sir, when we're finished, sir, we're going to hand the pictures over to the persons that employed us, the couple.
So what? When you give them in, you don't know, so we're not going to get there.
Sir, may I have your number, please? And they give you the number. And you just file it away, never to be used. That's what happens when you get invited to a ghetto wedding.
Welcome to the Irish Stew. We gon' show you how Jamaicans do.